Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine and you are enjoying summer holidays very well. Today we will do activity 9, which is about the superlative degree of adjective. It's very interesting activity. First of all, I will tell you about adjective. So listen this carefully. Students, adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jenny is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jenny. Not only quality is adjective, each and every word which describes noun or pronoun is called adjective. Clear? Students, there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. Now I will tell you about these degrees. So listen this carefully. पॉजिटिव डिग्री वो होती है जिसमें कोई कंपेयर नहीं होता, बट इन कंपेरेटिव डिग्री वी कंपेयर टू पर्सन्स और टू थिंग्स, एंड इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इसमें एक पर्सन या एक थिंग का कंपेयर ज़्यादा के साथ होता है. क्लियर? नाउ आई विल टेल यू सम एग्जांपल्स, देन यू विल इजीली अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज डिग्रीज. Students, now look at these sentences. First one is, the strawberry is big. In this sentence, there is no comparison. So this is positive degree. Now look at second, the apple is bigger than the strawberry. Here is comparison of two fruits. So this is comparative degree. Clear? Now third is, the watermelon is the biggest of the fruits. In this sentence, we compare the watermelon to all fruits. So this is superlative degree. Clear? Students, the highlighted words in these sentences, big, bigger and biggest, are adjectives. Big is positive degree, bigger is comparative and biggest is superlative degree. In this activity, we will solve superlative degree. There are 3 rules for superlative degree, so listen this carefully. If one or two vowels are in a positive degree, then we add est at the end of the superlative degree. For example, bright is positive degree and here is only one vowel I. So brightest is superlative degree by adding est. Same like this clever, this is positive degree and here is 2 vowels in this word. So superlative degree is cleverest by adding est. Second rule is, if more than 2 vowels are in a positive degree, then we add most before adjective. For example, beautiful is a positive degree and there are more than 2 vowels in this word, so most beautiful is superlative degree. Clear? Third rule is, if y is at the end of the positive degree, then first of all we cut y, then we add iest at the end of the superlative degree. For example, happy is positive degree and superlative degree is happiest by cutting y and adding iest. स्टूडेंट्स, दीज एडजेक्टिव्स आर कॉल्ड रेगुलर एडजेक्टिव्स क्योंकि ये एक रूल के अकॉर्डिंग बनाए जाते हैं. इफ़ 1 or 2 vowels देन वी ऐड est and if more than 2 vowels then we add most before adjective, and if y is at the end of the positive degree then we cut y and add iest at the end of the superlative degree. So these adjectives are called regular adjectives. Now I will tell you about irregular adjectives. Now I will tell you about irregular adjectives of superlative degree. Here is superlative degree is totally different from its positive degree. For example, bad is positive degree and superlative degree is worst. Good is positive degree and superlative degree is best. These are irregular adjectives of superlative degree. Clear? I hope you have understood these rules. Now you will solve this exercise by following those rules which we have discussed. You have to solve this exercise by using bracket words. In bracket words, there is positive degree, so you have to change this positive degree into superlative degree. And keep it in mind, if 1 or 2 vowels are in a positive degree, then you will add est at the end of the superlative degree. And if more than 2 vowels are in a positive degree, then you will add most before adjective, before positive degree. And if y is at the end of the positive degree, then you will cut y and add iest at the end of the positive degree. Clear? Then it will become superlative degree of adjective. For example, look at first, बुर्ज खलीफा इज दैश बिल्डिंग इन दी वर्ल्ड. इसमें बुर्ज खलीफा का कंपेयर पूरी दुनिया के साथ है, सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. and positive degree is high, and here is only one vowel I. So you will add est at the end of the positive degree. Highest is superlative degree. Clear? Now look at other bracket words: fast, expensive, short, popular, young, pretty, cute, difficult, tasty, bad, friendly, comfortable, lazy, dangerous, fat, and elegant. Now read these sentences carefully, and by using bracket words you have to write superlative degree. And keep it in mind all rules. Clear? Do this work by yourself. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.